calling all sewing newbies. Are you ready to embark on a stylish stitching adventure, but feeling a tad overwhelmed by the thought of finding the perfect sewing machine? Fear not, dear friend, for we've got your back. In this fabulous video extravaganza, we'll unveil the best of the best sewing machines for beginners. These magical contraptions will whisk you away to a world of creativity and thread-tastic wonders. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. SINGER M1000, our pick for best budget sewing machine for beginners. Introducing the SINGER Mending Machine, your handy-dandy sidekick for those sewing emergencies. This pint-sized powerhouse is perfect for beginners or anyone who just needs to fix a tear or two. It's like having your very own sewing superhero, but without the cape, although we wouldn't judge if you decided to wear one while using it. Weighing in at a feather light size, this machine is compact and portable, making it a breeze to store away when not in use. And let's talk about speed, shall we? With the ability to stitch at a mind-blowing 350 stitches per minute, you'll be mending faster than a speeding bullet. Well, almost. Sure, this little champion may have some limitations. The stitch length is fixed, and it's not the best at handling thicker fabrics. But hey, it's all about understanding each other's boundaries, right? Just stick to lightweight materials and this machine will be your loyal sewing sidekick for years to come. So whether you're a sewing newbie or a seasoned pro with superhuman sewing skills, the SINGER Mending Machine is here to save the day, one stitch at a time. Because when it comes to fashion emergencies, no cape is required. Just a trusty sewing machine by your side. Number 4. Magicfly Mini, our pick for best beginner sewing machine for kids. Alright, parents and craft enthusiasts, listen up. We've got the perfect sewing machine for your little sewing prodigies, the magical Magicfly sewing machine. Not only will it keep those tiny fingers safe with its trusty finger guard, but it won't break the bank either, coming in at under $50. Talk about a win-win! This lightweight and portable wonder is the ultimate sidekick for your budding seamstresses. Whether they're stitching up a storm in their bedroom or taking their skills on the road, this little gem will be there, ready to sew at their command. But wait, there's more. They've got your back with its slow speed settings, making it super easy for those little hands to stitch at their own pace. No need to rush. We're all about fostering a love for sewing, one stitch at a time. And don't even get us started on the accessories. With a ton of included goodies, your mini sewing maestros will be having a blast from the moment they unbox this beauty. From thread to bobbins, we've got it all covered. So, if you're ready to unleash the creative beast in your little ones, grab the Magicfly sewing machine and watch their sewing dreams come to life. It's time to stitch and roll. Still searching for the perfect sewing machines for beginner? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Brother XM2701, our pick for best sewing machine. Introducing the Brother XM2701, the sewing machine that will have you stitching like a pro without breaking a sweat or a needle. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, this machine is sure to charm even the most novice of seamstresses. Let's talk stitches, honey. We're talking 27 built-in stitch options, ready to beautify any fabric that crosses your path. From delicate decorative stitches to sturdy practical ones, the possibilities are endless. And don't get us started on the 63 stitch applications you can create by mixing and matching these bad boys. It's like having a fashion designer in your living room. No more squinting and struggling to thread that needle. The automated threader has got your back. It's quick, painless, and will have you stitching in no time. And say goodbye to those pesky bobbin headaches. Let there be light. The LED bulb will light up your work area like a Hollywood set, ensuring you can see every detail of your stitches. And with the detachable free arm, you'll have the flexibility to tackle any project, from hemming pants to sewing sleeves. 6 interchangeable feet are included because, hey, variety is the spice of life. So, whether you're a sewing newbie or a seasoned pro, the Brother XM2701 will be your trusty sidekick on your creative journey. Number 2. Janome C30, our pick for best computerized sewing machine. Calling all sewing enthusiasts, both novices and experts alike. Are you ready to take your stitching skills to the next level? Introducing the fabulous Janome C30 computerized sewing machine, the perfect blend of technology and creativity. For all you tech-savvy sewing newbies out there, this machine is the ultimate dream come true. With its sleek LCD screen and 30 pre-installed stitches displayed in vibrant numbers, your stitching possibilities are practically endless. No more threading troubles thanks to the automatic needle threader that effortlessly does the work for you. And let's not forget about the transparent bobbin cover, allowing you to keep an eye on your thread as it drops in like magic. But wait, there's more. This clever machine is jam-proof, eliminating those pesky snags that interrupt your flow. And with convenient push-button operation, securing your stitches is a breeze with the locking stitch button. Need to reinforce that seam? Just press the reverse button for extra durability. But it doesn't stop there, folks. This multitasking marvel also features a detachable storage compartment for those hard-to-reach areas like sleeves, cuffs, and pants legs. So, whether you're a sewing superstar or just starting your stitching journey, the Janome C30 is here to make your creative dreams a reality. Get ready to sew and show off your skills like never before. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4423, our pick for best sewing machine for beginners overall. Looking to sew like a pro, but don't want a machine that quits on you after a few projects? Say hello to the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, the Chuck Norris of sewing machines. This bad boy is built to last, so you can stitch to your heart's content without worrying about it giving up on you. With a motor that's 60% stronger than regular machines, the Singer laughs in the face of tough fabrics like denim. It doesn't mess around. And don't worry about fumbling around with complicated buttons and settings. This machine keeps it simple. Just dial in your stitch and length, and you're good to go. It's like having a personal sewing assistant that says, "Hey, let me take care of all that fancy stuff for you." While it may not have a gazillion decorative stitch options, the 23 built-in stitches are more than enough to tackle any fabric you throw at it. Plus, this beast is lightning fast with a top speed of 1,100 stitches per minute. Just watch out for the noise. It can get a little rowdy at that speed. But hey, who said sewing was a quiet hobby anyway? So don't settle for a wimpy sewing machine that'll leave you hanging. Get the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 and sew like a boss for years to come. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best sewing machines for beginners. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which sewing machines you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.